Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I wanted to come on and share with you guys an unboxing of, it's called Bunny James. It's a keto snack subscription box and it comes with 15 products, all keto related. So I thought that since this is my first box from them, I would go ahead and go through this with you so you guys can see if it's something that you're interested in as you're doing your keto journey like I am. So, before I get started, this box I want to say is $40, and like I said, it comes with 15 snacks. So let's see what they gave me. Ta-da! Whoa, it's gonna fall out. So here, I'm gonna stick this over here. So the first thing they give you is just kind of a little story of them and how this became and some of their socials right here. All right, so the first big item that came is crispy cuts. They're pork rinds, Parmesan peppercorn with real cheese. So right here, it says that it's 1 carbohydrate per serving. This full bag right here has 2 servings in it. It's 80 calories, 6 grams of fat, and just 1 carbohydrate, no dietary fiber, but it does have 7 grams of protein, so that's kind of cool. Those do look good. The next item I have right here is protein puffs. So it says that they're baked cheddar, the smartest way to snack, it says. It has 14 grams of protein, it looks like, and it's from Shrewd Foods. So this is a brand that I used to get a lot of when I used to do Keto Crate and Keto Box subscriptions. But just to show you kind of some of the ingredients, I know it's going to be hard to see on camera, but it has, this bag itself is 1 serving, and it has 90 calories, 3 grams of fat, 2 grams of total carbohydrates, no fiber, and already 14 grams of protein. So not too bad. They're the little like round poof balls. So that's kind of cool. All right. So Smart Cakes, which I'm sure if you've been on a keto journey at all, you've seen or heard of this brand before, or maybe even tried them. I'll give you a little snapshot there. It's hard to see. So inside here, there are 2 like muffin-sized cakes. 1 cake is a serving, and it says that there's 38 calories, 0 sugars, 5 grams of fiber, and 4 grams of protein. So 1 cake itself has 9 total carbs, and then you subtract out the dietary fiber, which is 5, so that leaves you with 4, and then it has 4 grams of erythritol. So technically this should be like no carb, right? Yeah. So, I'm sorry, if you couldn't see the flavor, it says it's vanilla latte is the flavor of this one. So that's kind of cool. So you get 2 of those. Legendary Foods is a brand that I am definitely familiar with. Pardon my kids in the back, like it's pandemonium apparently. These are almonds, of course, but they are cheddar bacon flavored almonds, no sugar added, 4 net carbs per serving. And I know it's going to be super hard to see all that good stuff, but in here there is 210 calories for the bag, and 1 bag is a serving, and then 18 grams of fat, 8 grams of total carbohydrates, but then 4 of it is dietary fiber, so you subtract that out, so it makes it 4 net carbs. That's pretty good. It's cheddar bacon flavor. Let's see here. These are called Eden pumpkin seeds. They are dry roasted, organic. This is 1 serving size. There is 170 calories for this bag right here, 12 grams of fat, and 5 total carbs, 3 grams of dietary fiber, which makes it 2 net carbs. There are 8 grams of protein in this bag. So that's kind of cool. It's nice to have pumpkin seeds for the fall, for sure. All right, woo. Don't mean to hit you there. Okay, so this one, I have no idea how to even say the brand name, but they're artisan peanuts, and the flavor is Baja Taco. And it says that it has 10 grams of protein, no artificial flavors, no GMOs, all natural, no preservatives, gluten-free. And then here in the back, of course, this whole little pouch right here that you see is 1 serving size. It has 217 calories, 17.4 grams of fat, 8.7 grams of total carbohydrates, and 2.9 grams of dietary fiber, no sugar alcohols, and there's 10 grams of protein. So not too shabby. I'm kind of curious to know what Baja Taco tastes like. So I'm definitely going to have to give these a try when we take our camper out next. I typically don't eat a whole lot of nuts on my keto journey, just because I feel like I have a tendency to kind of overindulge when it comes to nuts. And I don't have the right self-control for a lot of nuts, but every now and again I do. If I make like a snack plate or a charcuterie board or something like that, I'll throw some in there. So not too bad. The next item I have is Monk Pack. It's a keto nut and seed bar. So it is plant-based, it's gluten-free. It's got pumpkin seeds and cinnamon almonds. On the front label, it says that it has 0 grams of sugar, 2 net carbs, 6 grams of protein, and 150 calories. So that's not too shabby. Okay. Next, I have Think Jerky, right? It's grass-fed beef stick original, has 0 sugars, 4 grams of protein, only 40 calories, and it is gluten-free. And this is what the guy looks like on the back, in case you're looking for kind of a reference size. This has 0 carbs in it at all, like 0. So that's kind of cool. You can never really go wrong with jerky, I feel like, anyway. I do have another similar product here. There's the brand, what does that say? Mission Meats. And it's a beef bar. The flavor is Tasty Original. It's gluten-free. No MSG, made with 100% grass-fed beef, no added nitrates. It's also paleo-friendly if that's your diet of choice, or lifestyle. This is what the beef stick looks like, in case you need it for reference. When I was looking at the packaging here, I don't see where it has any nutritional facts, so it doesn't say you know, calories or anything like that, but it does say that you can find the information on their website. So there's that. I have no idea if it's low in carbs or high. I don't know. Oh well, I digress. So the next thing I have is, looks like it says IQ bar, and the flavor looks like lemon blueberry, if I'm not mistaken. It's got 6 brain nutrients, 12 grams of plant-based protein, and then 1 gram of sugar and 3 net carbs. And then total calories for the whole bar is 160. So that's not bad at all. And more nuts. I feel like there's a little, like, kind of a lot of nuts going on. Legendary Foods, again, so a different pack. This one says that it's Buffalo Blue Wing seasoned almonds. There's 3 net carbs per serving, no sugar added. With this pack, of course, it's just 1 serving size for this. And it's 7 total carbs, but there's 3 dietary fibers and 1 erythritol gram. So all in all, it's only 3 net carbs. That's not bad. So that's kind of cool. Another option. And then there's just a few more products. Let's see. This one is Keto Bars. The flavor is chocolate peanut butter. It's got 21 grams of fat, 3 net carbs, and this whole bar, of course, is one serving size. It's 250 calories. So total carbs is 13 grams, but then there is 6 grams of fiber and 4 grams of erythritol. So that's how they get to that number. But when you look at the ingredients here, the ingredients are pretty clean. The only thing that it says is peanut butter, chocolate, coconut, non-GMO erythritol, water, salt, and stevia. I mean, that is pretty darn clean. So that's a good option. One other item from Legendary Foods. I love this brand. So I actually have these in a bigger jar. I ordered from them directly before. Honey, thank you. Sorry, the kids. Bananas. Anyways, so this is a nut butter. As you can see, it says that it's almond and cashew butter. It's 4 net carbs for a serving size. This flavor happens to be apple pie flavored. And this is great. If you ever kind of just want like a sweet treat and you're the type that would just go in with a scoop of peanut butter, maybe add some little chocolate chips to it, this is an amazing alternative. It gives you the flavor, feel like you're eating a more decadent dessert, if you will. But it's got that good old peanut butter consistency. So I really like this brand, so I'm kind of glad that I got this in a pouch form nonetheless. So there's that. Okay. Then I got this product, which I have never seen or heard of. It's called Eat Your Coffee. So it is a shot of espresso in every bar. It's a caffeinated snack bite in the flavor Cocoa Espresso. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little puzzled by this. I don't know that I'm the kind of person that would want to eat my coffee versus drinking it, but I am curious to try it. I don't really know the nutritional facts. So one little bar, and I'll be honest, like a little bar feels like it's basically this amount, which in comparison to the other bar seems kind of small. But so there's 90 calories, 4 grams of fat, and there is 12 total carbs. There's only 3 dietary fiber grams, which means that it would be 9 carbs. And it doesn't say that it has any erythritol here. Forgive me, I'm trying to look to see if they have it listed in the actual ingredients, and I don't think that they do. So that's interesting, but it's caffeinated, so I'm assuming you're getting like a shot of espresso amount worth in this little bar. I don't know that something this small would be worth it for me to use up 9 carbs though. And it doesn't list that there's any other sugar alcohols, at least not that I've found so far. So, I don't know if I'm the type to try this actually. But hey, if anybody out there knows about it and can share in the comments what it's like, I'm curious to know. So the last item that I got in the box is Birch Benders, which I've actually gotten this brand a few different times for a few different things. They make something similar that's in kind of a mug cake cookie form, which I got not that long ago. You usually just add water, you mix it up, throw it in the microwave for like a minute or a minute and a half or whatever and take it out. And then I put on sugar-free whipped cream and then some cinnamon sprinkles, and it hit the spot. It's an amazing, quick, no effort kind of dessert. So I have not ever tried the brownie though, so I am curious to see. It says that it's only 3 net carbs. It's keto friendly. Let's see. It's 180 calories and it has 15 grams of fat, 25 total carbs, and then 6 grams of fiber. So that leaves 19, and sugar alcohols are 16 grams. So that's how they get to the 3 grams of carbs. That's of net carbs. So that's kind of crazy. I mean, I don't know, it should be good, but I don't know, it's something fun to try. I'm kind of excited that I got this and a lot of the Legendary Foods type snacks because I've tried that brand before. I know it, I trust it. Stuff like this is always great. I use pork rinds actually a lot in my keto journey. I usually use a lot of pork panko, which is just pork rinds that somebody was smart enough to like make into breadcrumbs for me so that I don't have to whip out my food processor every time I want to do it. So that's kind of cool too. It's great to have stuff like this for dips and for, you know, cheese dips and like spinach and avocado dips and, artichoke, that's what I meant. And just stuff like this to just try out. So all in all, I think it was definitely worth it to get it for $40. I did get 15 actual items, so that was kind of cool. Drop me down a little note in the comment section if you want me to provide you any additional information on the items that I got. I'm also going to link the website for this company in my description. But yeah, other than that, thank you for taking the time to watch this video with me. Sorry it was chaotic with kids, but hey, I'm a mom of 4, so that's life. And then, yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. If you like this kind of content, please hit the like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for sticking around. Please feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's free to do. I always try to update more keto content as I am still going through my journey, and I look forward to meeting and chatting with you guys soon. Bye!